President Draupadi Murmu reached Patna airport on a 3-day visit to Bihar, where she was received by Governor Vishwanath Arlekar, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Prasad Yadav. Ahead of the festive season, centres approved a bonus for Group C and non-gazetted Group B rank officials with a maximum limit of 7,000 rupees. 286 passengers, including 18 Nepalese nationals, arrived tonight on board the 5th flight to New Delhi from Israel under Operation Ajay. US President Joe Biden has left for a quick trip to Israel to show solidarity with the people of the country in the aftermath of the terrorist attack by Hamas. In a major upset in the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, the Netherlands defeated South Africa by 38 runs at Dharamsala in Himachal Pradesh last night.